Damn, it's all this.
Comes under the salute. This campaign did not start. Holy shit here. Someone has the power to throw up. And shoot.
Several times.
Friends, we have such a gorgeous infinity pool here. Look. There's a zone, there's a separate zone. There's a cafe, there's a bass player. You can get high here to celebrate the new year. But now the drone has been knocked out, it was flying there. I was sitting on that balcony, see here. Apparently, because of these granite slabs, the connection was lost. In short, the drone fell. Swimming pool. I fell into someone else's pool. The camera fell right here on the platform under the pool. That is, the drone fell into the water, but the camera did not. That's how it happens. And my frame cracked there, I'll show you now. Such are the production costs of our content. And so it's very beautiful here. See disc balls. The DJ performed yesterday. Yesterday there was such a cool engine here. Fire show. Here. It's generally beautiful, but it's a pity the beach is not cuppable here. There are guys, look who came to us. Laner. Wow, you can. That's how you have to run after the drone in the morning. Today is the 31st of December. We are on the descendant at the very beginning of the beach. Only here they were able to put the car. Now let's see how many people are preparing to celebrate the new year here. But already from here you can see that the beach is packed. Today, according to the plan, we have a festive dinner at the hotel. They are doing some kind of New Year's Eve special gala dinner there, and then there will be a disco. Either a foam party, or a disco. Here, and then we'll go here to the stream. But it will be difficult, because you will not call a taxi. Everything was captured by such tukrookers, even parking lots. Local bandits, so to speak. And they drive ordinary taxi drivers out of here. Such a gorgeous Viner sailed to us. I flew a drone from our hotel before him. Our hotel is located there. It was 2.5 kilometers to Wiener. Awesome, beautiful, huge. Guys, well, this is a shock. Just a shock. The beach is completely packed and has become terribly dirty. Of course there are so many people. A bunch of mud nailed. The beginning of December was much cleaner. There are battles going on all day. By the way, friends, I congratulate you on the upcoming new year. I wish everyone happiness, health, so that it all ends quickly and everyone returns to normal life. So friends, I have reached. Here there will be some kind of concert, as I understand it, on New Year's Eve in the evening. Fearless Thais are launched into the sky just hanging on the slings without insurance. But I must say it was much more fun on Fangon, and here something does not feel like a New Year's mood at all. It's just that people are bathing as usual, resting. On Fangon, they were already walking with might and main in New Year's hats and so on. It was 1,000 times more fun. I regret that we didn't go there. Awesome, friends, look. Well, really like in Anapa. There are a lot of people. Here begins the beach of Patong, or rather, so to speak, the living part of it. There are just an incredible number of people. I have never seen so much here, although we have never had a new year on my offspring. We used to go to Fangon, but this time it didn't work out on Fangon. They stupidly ran out of housing on Fangon. Here are those who do a cool tan. Here's Wiener. Come on, who's going to count how many floors there are? Oh, the professionals have gathered. Wow. Would you like a cocktail? The sea is on. And here sits a bunny with gifts, but it says do not touch gifts. Friends, massage on an industrial scale is Thai. They don't walk on their backs anymore. Strange. This pier turns out to be specially made for Wiener. To make it convenient for them to go ashore. In general, friends, here we will have a new year. We will celebrate the new year. Look at us with this view. The sunset is now the last one in this year, in 2022. The liner is standing and the gala is already waiting for us. Such a beauty. We're going down. Cat. Are you ready to celebrate the new year? 7 in the evening, it's already dark. In Russia, -4 hours in Moscow. Just a DJ and an unlimited buffet will play. There are all sorts on the flash drive. The most interesting thing is next. It's a big turkey. It's all right. We'll grab a piece. So, maybe we ate 2 of these plates here, now we take a little bit. What is this? Is this the sunset?
It's somehow ugly that you took one of these.
On a diet.
What?
I do not know what it is.
Turn it over.
Scary, right?
I don't know. How are you going to?
You've already eaten one in the dark.
I didn't want to do it.
Contests have started. Fuck, you'll call a taxi. In short, a bunch of applications. We tried it, only the hornbeam agreed, and only the third time. In short, one dude said and give me more money. The second one was too far there for 30 minutes to go. Here's one who seems to have agreed. Either he's going, or he's not. Now we're going to vote stupidly on the road. Damn, in Phuket, the trouble with taxis is shorter. It's a huge problem. Fuck what you call. I do not know how people leave for the airport. It is necessary to take care of this long in advance. The couple braked a minibus here. The Japanese got in there and all drove my minibus. So the taxi is not coming to us. We are waiting for something. In general, friends, accidentally took a tuk-tuk, stopped himself. A taxi cost 500 baht, a tuk-tuk costs 300 baht. Well, almost twice as cheap. In general, we are going. Look, everything is flying, everything is on fire, everything is exploding. It's just awesome. Look at the beauty. The ball. Well, in general, beauty. Some people are hanging out here. I decided to devour it for the new year. Wow, what a salute went. Fatty. Friends, look what a beauty. Friends, look at how many people there are, but there are much more on Patong. Everyone is launching these balloons. Oh. Here the spotlight is shining and the salute, in short, here it is constantly plowing non-stop at all. Non-stop simple. And there are still about 40 minutes left until the new year. But local time, not Moscow time. Moscow time will be 4 in the morning. I think we'll be home by now. There are no explosions here. Well there, it's completely different here, in no way on Pangera. Oh, I didn't fly here. He could have shot me with a salute here.
Very nice, by the way. Really, I didn't even expect such a thing from a descendant, damn it. Well, it's probably, damn, just a buzz. I have the same goosebumps.
Let's go around a little bit.
I think we should.
They blow up everywhere, like we're walking through a minefield. They are sitting with their music. Blow up. Look. Went beautifully.